Mga kapuso, dungan natong sayron ang istorya sa usa ka Dabawenyo nga award-winning healthcare quality and risk professional sa United Arab Emirates kung asa siya nagtrabaho. Si Dan Lester Davon. Sir Dan, may buntag ug dayon sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta, sir, and congratulations!
Okay lang, mayong buntag kanimo Argil, and mayong buntag sa tanan natong mga kapuso sa tibok Mindanao.
Well, it's truly a great morning, sir, no? Kaya nakauban ka na mo karong buntaga. Ug unang-una, Sir Dan, please share with us shortly ang imuhang journey isip usa ka OFW and healthcare professional sa UAE. Ug what made you decide nga magtrabaho abroad?
As a healthcare professional, I started working as a nursing assistant or nurse assistant sa usa ka 7-star tertiary hospital. And medyo taas-taas nga journey kay tungod lisod kayo i-climb sa corporate jungle. And having said that, I didn't have enough experience in the Philippines. Like, if you want to practice nursing, you should have at least 2 to 3 years of work experience in your home country. And tungod ana, dili ko qualified to have the license. So, ang akong gibuhat is I really pursued to be better, to be more of my profession until such time nga from nursing assistant na promote ko as administrator for risk management. And after that, after 6 months, na promote na pod ko as risk analyst until nahimo kong quality and risk manager. And now, I am serving the entire government of Abu Dhabi in a healthcare government sector as a risk officer. So dili kayo sa sayon na pag-climb up sa corporate jungle, but I made it through pure hard work and pure merit.
And that's the most important thing, no, nga nalampasan gayud nimo ang tanang challenges along the way. Og sa imong years of experience, nakatukod na ka og kaugalingong kumpanya dinhi sa Pilipinas, unsa bang services kay imong gina-provide sa imong company og unsa imong gina-advocate?
Nagatabang ko sa mga kailangan og work to land a decent job in the UAE, especially sa mga nurses nga nasa Philippines. So I collaborated with other healthcare facilities na at least to help our fellow Filipinos na maka-land og job din sa UAE. So, it's about quality, risk, and patient safety. Mao na akong mga gina-advocate.
Og just recently, congratulations, sanglit usa ka sa gipasidunggan sa International Forum on Advancements in Healthcare og 2020-2021 Top 100 Healthcare Leaders Award. Unsa ba ang imuhang mga significant contributions, sir, sa healthcare industry nga giila imong effort sa moong organization?
Well, that's quite unexpected kay tungod there were thousands of healthcare professionals around the world na really who deserve to be on the top 100, and ang criteria nga na-appeal para mapabilang ka sa top 100 healthcare leaders kay innovation, your contribution in the healthcare industry, what else? I think there were creativity. Ang akong gina-advocate is I always want to advocate patient safety. And if your core is patient safety, then that means you wanted to become that person of quality, someone who is very proactive in terms of identifying the hazards and risks, and at the same time, your infection control and other practices.
Og nakadawat na pugag several awards in the past. Healthcare Professional of the Year, the Filipino Times in 2016, og Top 10 Huwarang OFW in 2017. To name a few, no? Unsa ba ang nag-inspire sa imuha to continue to exert an extra mile sa imong profession and to explore initiatives sa pagpalambo sa healthcare system?
Well, to be honest, those awards or those recognitions are not part of, I didn't thought of it. Parang nahitabo lang siya, and maybe I am just fortunate enough that there were some people who recognize your value in the healthcare industry, or me as a healthcare professional. Ako, wala ko'y tumong nga makakuha awards. These are just bonuses. Pero ang ako ang tumong yun sa akong gisulti kaganina is patient safety. Ang core to elevate, to uplift the healthcare standards mo na ang akong basis is I always share my experience kay tungod I know where I come from. So gusto na ako matabangan ang Pilipinas na mulambo in terms of, standards na ma-follow nila ang mga international best practices, ang mga clinical practice guidelines, ug uban pa. So, mao na.
Sir Dan, ang sa imong message of hope and inspiration sa atong mga healthcare workers here and abroad.
Sa tanan mga kapuso nato, lalong-lalo na sa mga healthcare professionals, keep on dreaming. I know we all start low, but always aim to end high. Kay tungod like me, I started as a nurse assistant until I had an experience being in a managerial role in world-class healthcare facilities. Dapat buhaton ninyo is magpursige and always value work ethics and work hard. Dapat pure merit.
Alright, daghang king salamat and continue to be an inspiration sa mga kabataan, ingon man sa mga young professionals, Sir Dan. And once again, congratulations sa pasidungog nga imuhang nadawat.
Maraming salamat, Argil. And of course, daghan pud kayong salamat sa atong mga kapuso. Again, keep on dreaming.
Chillax sa mga kapuso, mubalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.